Hello, King Brando here, and I got some tall grass for you. Look what I ran across. I'm gonna be famous as look at this. From street level. Oh man. This is big, okay? I just want to say that. Been waiting for this opportunity to get out here and mow for free and really show you the YouTube world that I could have been the next Tom Cruise. That's right, I'm not an action star, but I mow tall grass, damn it. I don't know. I need more of an abandoned look for the house when I show it though. Hold on, turn the camera off.
Okay. You ready?
Yeah. Is it off?
Yeah.
There. Yeah, I'm gonna throw this rock through the window. That's gonna give it a bigger look. If there's a hole in the window, it looks more, I don't know, it'll look more abandoned. That'll be more views. We know the more disaster, the more people will watch, because yeah, they want us to fail. Look, the house has got to seem more abandoned.
Yeah.
Yeah, if there's a hole in the window, that's gonna be more views. Yeah, the worse it looks, the better. Yeah, that's a good one. All right, right about over there I'll do. Oh. Yeah, there it is. I did it. Oh shit, the camera's still on. All right, guys, I just came upon this yard, as you see there, and the tall grass over there. But there's a window broken too. This house is very much abandoned. You wouldn't believe, as you know in the title, great title by the way, but yeah, this is not looking good. We've got a lot of overgrowth here, a lot of overgrowth over here, and yeah, it's not looking too good. Nope. There's a CD. Huh. You know what? I wonder how many views you get for cleaning a house, huh? And fixing a window up, you know, making it a little bit more livable. All right, enough playing around. I'll be cleaning the house in another video. You can go up to this channel, the Fucked Up channel, and you'll catch that there. But meanwhile, I'm going to mow this little ditty right here. Oh, they left me a little trail here. That's good. Oh yeah. Oh, that's a lot of weed eating right there. And I wonder how many views I'll get. Yeah, anyway, guys, this is going to be, this is going to arouse you, okay? It's not just going to be satisfying. You're going to be aroused. You're probably going to orgasm, okay? When I start cutting this tall grass and you see it fold over because you've never seen it before. Who else cuts tall grass in this community? No one but the king and Lawn Stars, okay? I don't know. This stuff looks pretty thick though. Anyway, as I was saying, yeah, I'm going to get to it. I'm going to really take charge here of this and make it live. You know what? Fuck the views. This place is insane. Nope. You know what, guys? I'm going to keep our 1,000 guys that watch us every show. And I'm going to appreciate you even more than I ever did. Because if I had to mow tall grass for free like that, you know, that is not conducive to what the Lawn Stars have in store for you. You haven't seen anything yet. Please hit the subscribe bell, the notification. Actually, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and like the channel. Like the video. And God, I'm so glad I didn't do that. It is 100 degrees out here. But anyway, I just want to tell you one thing right now before I go. One other thing. I am the tall grass man. Because I'm here to show you the tall grass, but not cut it down. I'm not wasting your time. Just showing you how bad it could be.